Hello everybody, and today I'm going to be showing you how to add /create or /delete artboards or draw things on them. So basically in Adobe Illustrator you should have something like this. You might have something else, something drawn like this. And then what you want to do, if you want to add a new artboard, you can go to the side menu and click this artboard tool right here. The shortcut to that is Shift O, as it says right there. So I'm just going to click that, and you should have this so it looks like this. Another thing you might want to get when editing artboards is you go up to window right here, and then you click artboards. There's no shortcut for that, so you'll have to go up there. And then also what you want to do is, so if you want to delete an artboard, there are a couple of things you can do. So one is, let's say I want to delete artboard 1. Then what I would do is I'll just highlight it from here, and then I'll click this delete or the trash can button or the delete artboard button, and it deletes that artboard, but it still keeps the work on it. And then if you want to add an artboard, then what you can just do, if you're inside the artboard tool, you can just draw an artboard and it just appears. So I'm going to delete some of these artboards. Another option is if you want to delete all the artboards which don't have anything on them, then what you can do is you can just go up into this 3 bars menu right here, and then it'll come up with a couple of options, and one of them is delete empty artboards. So I deleted all the artboards which don't have anything on them, and just redraw them over here. And also you can also select a particular artboard and then just drag and drop it anywhere you want to. Also, keeping an artboard that you want deleted, go to this 3 bar menu, and then you can just click this delete artboard button. And also, if you want to kind of duplicate an artboard, then what you can just do is click on an artboard, go into this menu, and then click duplicate artboard, so it'll just create a duplicate. And also, if you want to create a new artboard, then you can just do the same thing, and it will also create a duplicate of the one that was selected. So yeah, that's it. And also, if you want to, while exporting, let's say you want to keep a copy of something, so I just select this artboard right here, and I can just cancel, and I can just drag and drop this artboard in here, and then we'll save it as asset 1. I'm going to show you what this does later. So I'm going to move this into there as well. And now I'm going to show you what it does. So whenever you have those asset export things, and then you go up into File, and then you go to Export. I'm just going to click Export for Screens. Then what will happen is you'll have these assets up here. So from there it moves on to here. I'm just going to cancel that. And then now, if you want to combine things on the, combine the artwork on the artboards, then what you just have to do is you have to drag an artboard onto kind of the thing, and then just drag it onto another one that has work, and now you can just drag this big one and it takes all of that work. So let's say I want to combine this work with that work, I can just drag this over, and I drag this out, and it combines with that artboard. And I'm just going to combine this one as well. So, and then also one more thing that I want to tell you is that you have to have at least one artboard on your screen. So for example, let's say I try to delete this one. The delete option just instantly disappears. Also, if I go up here, the delete artboards is gone to gray, which means I can't do it. Oh, and another way to delete some artboards is to just select it and then click the delete button, or you can select it and click the backspace button. They're both kind of the exact same. And also, if you want to, let's say you have a couple of artboards and you want to kind of like make them in rows or columns, then what you can do is click on this the three bars up here, and then click Rearrange All Artboards, and you can choose how you want them to be rearranged. So this one arranges them in a line, this one arranges them in a column. Wait, I'm just going to show you what this is. So it arranges them in a column, depending on which one's number 1, which one's number 2, which one's number 3, and all the way down. If you want it in a row, then you can just click that option, and then click OK, and it puts them in a row. And so this option is you can arrange them by columns. So let's say I want 2 columns, and then I click OK. It'll put it in 2 columns, and there'll be 4 rows, or as many rows as there might be. Also, you can arrange it by rows. So it's kind of the same thing as columns, but you can choose how many rows there are. So let's say you want 3 rows. I'm just going to click OK, and you'll get 1, 2, and 3 rows. So like that. And I think that's it. Yeah, I'm just going to delete some of these artboards because it's getting quite messy. And yeah, also one more thing is you can change the artboard side instantly, so on there, and you can just drag it and just change it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button down below, as well as the subscribe button, and yeah, it really means a lot. Also, I'll also show you how to draw on it. So if you want to draw using a kind of a paintbrush thing, then what you can do is you just have to click Control B, or you don't really have to, but like you can. There's an option on the side here, but I don't know how to get to it, and I only know it's right here. So you can either click the blob brush tool, or you can do Control Shift B. Just Shift B. So I'll do Shift B, and then now I can draw on the artboard. So yeah, so please subscribe to my channel if you like this video. And I just deleted one of these. Okay. So yeah, goodbye. See you in my next video.